soybeans today. Yeah, we've been working on soybeans for a while now. The bin, it's at the bottom of that second to last ring. So it's got one full ring and then it's at the bottom of this next ring. That's a 7,000 bushel bin, but so it'll hold what we need to get done today, or what we got left where we started last night. Yeah, there's 40 acres there, and you got 2 fields done. It's 4 fields, but you gotta take the head off to get into each field, which is the aggravating part. So, but it's just the way it works out. I'm gonna go fill this up with fuel and eat an early lunch. That way we can run. Keep running this afternoon. It's Saturday, October 19th. Today's October 19th.
Skeletons are gone. It's running out of.
So yeah, we're hauling with the 7210 now. 4055 kind of took a dump. It's pissing hydraulic fluid from somewhere. So, and my other uncle needs a 6420. He's doing some hay, last of the hay, so he needs it. So this kind of leaves the only tractor here for this one. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna let it warm up here for a second, and it's not actually that bad. It's 55 something degrees outside. It's gonna get up next, I think it's gonna be at 70 something today. So yeah, we'll come back to you here in a little bit. These beans look a whole lot better than they did last year. Last year they were all kinds of different colors.